I'm glad you came today. I'm glad you came today. Hello to everyone. I'm glad you came today. We'll have some fun today. We'll have some fun today. Hello to everyone. We'll have some fun today. Have some fun, Colby? Oh, we're going to have some fun.
So it's early morning here, and as you can see, the sun is starting to come up, and so that's why I'm able to see the trees up in the sky. In the middle of the night, it was totally black, but now I'm able to start seeing things because the sun is going to start coming up soon.
Today we're going to learn how light helps us to see things, and then we're going to make a light table as our project. I See Light by Francis Spencer. 5 senses. Look around. You are using your eyes to see. Seeing is one of our 5 senses. We use our senses to learn about our world. The 5 senses are seeing, touching, hearing, smelling, and tasting. We have 2 eyes for seeing. The colored part of your eye is called the iris. Many animals have more than 2 eyes. A praying mantis has 5 eyes. A scorpion has between 10 and 12 eyes. A scallop can have up to 100 eyes. We need light to see. Without light, everything would be in darkness. We have natural light from the sun in the daytime. When it's dark, we use flashlights and lamps to make light. The light shines on objects. It then bounces back and goes into our eyes through our pupils. The pupil is a hole that lets light into your eye. Message to your brain. After light goes into the pupil, it shines the lens, and the lens is transparent. The lens helps you to see things in focus. Light can shine through anything that is transparent. Glass, water, air, and the lens in your eye are all transparent. Translucent objects only let some light shine through. Tracing paper, sunglasses, thin cloth are all translucent. Opaque objects do not let any light shine through. Wood, metal, and clay are all opaque. After going through the lens, light hits the retina, and the retina sends a message to your brain. The brain uses the message to make pictures. The picture tells you the shape, size, and color of everything you see. A big red ball, a small green frog. Amazing animal eyes. Eagles have super powerful eyesight. They can see a rabbit 2 miles away. A chameleon's eyes can look in 2 different directions at the same time. Our pupils look like circles, but a goat's pupils look like rectangles. There are tools we can use to help us see better. Glasses are lenses that help people who cannot see well. Binoculars make faraway things look closer. A hand lens makes small things look bigger. And a telescope gives us a better look at stars, galaxies, and planets. To make a light table, you'll need a strand of lights, a power source, a container with translucent top or bottom, and paper to diffuse the light. The strand of lights you use can be from what you might hang outdoors or on a tree. I happen to have these LED lights that are called luminoodles, and they plug into a USB port. So that's why I have this portable battery pack, but you most certainly can plug your light source into the wall as well. I then placed the strand of lights with the power source into the container and placed the lid on the container. Now I happen to have this craft container that was darker on the bottom and had the translucent top. You can really use anything. You could use a glass bowl if you don't have something like this. So you just need to look around and see what you can fashion up. The last thing I did was place a piece of paper that was translucent on top of the container so that it would diffuse the light, so I wasn't looking directly at the light bulbs. So you're going to want to do that as well if you can clearly see what you have in the container. And just make sure that you do this on a heat-resistant surface, as the lights will create heat and you don't want to ruin anything. All right, now it's time to play.
So you can see in the dark how awesome the light table is. Now, and you can also hear it's early morning, so the birds are chirping. And playing with the light table can be lots of fun. I have these translucent sheets that let the light shine through a little bit. So you see I have red and I have blue, and in the middle there is purple. And up here is orange. And over here is green. Now I also have this fun coaster that the outside is translucent, but the center is opaque. So it doesn't let the light shine through here, but the light shines through there. So you can go around and find translucent and opaque objects in your house and test them out on your fancy light table.
Light Helps Me See by Jennifer Boothroyd. Why do we need light? How many dogs do you see in this picture on the left? Now, how many dogs do you see in this picture? Light makes it easier to see. It's hard to see clearly in the dark. Our eyes need light to see. What color is the glove in this picture? It's hard to tell, but with light we know that the glove is pink. Our eyes need light to see colors. Light is all around us. Light comes from many places. The sun gives off light. Light bulbs give off light. Fire gives off light. Sunlight shines through the windows. Light can pass through glass. The curtain stops some of the light. Light in our eyes. Light bounces off things around us. Our eyes catch the bouncing light. The pupil lets light into the eyes. The pupil is black at the center of your eye. Pupils get small when the light is bright. Pupils get bigger when the light is dim. We need light to see.
Don't fall. Okay, good. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. It is time to say goodbye. Give a smile and wink your eye. It's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Yeehaw!